Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a compatible device with biometric or PIN unlock and a modern browser. Once ready, sign in to accounts. Google.com. Go directly to Security, then signing into Google and choose Passkeys. When you select Create Passkey, your device will prompt you to confirm with a fingerprint, face, or PIN. Do that now. This creates a cryptographic key tied to your device and Google account. This step replaces passwords and prevents phishing, because the private key never leaves your device. After the prompt, your device generates the private key and Google stores a reference. Once done, enable Passkey sync to your Google account if offered. This lets you use the passkey on your other signed-in devices seamlessly. Make sure to name the passkey clearly so you recognize which device it belongs to. If you ever add another device, repeat the creation flow there. Once synced, Google will coordinate public keys, so signing is automatic and secure across platforms without passwords. To sign in, choose Use Passkey at the Google sign-in screen, select the passkey tied to your device, and authenticate with your biometric or PIN. Access is granted without a password. Once complete, manage or revoke passkeys under Security Passkeys if a device is lost. If something goes wrong, make sure OS and browser are updated, retry with another authorized device, or use an alternate sign-in method or account recovery. If locked out, revoke compromised keys and re-enroll passkeys on your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.